here wants to win something? Pwede naman na iwi-win niya yung other personal na may kinalaman sa kanyang buhay 'no, or usapang personal. Pero pwede rin naman 'no, na ang gusto niyang ma-win dito ay ikaw. Oh, alamin natin 'yan. But the Six of Brushes energy is the Six of Wands. So someone here wants to win something because it will make him or her really, really happy. Okay, so let's see. What is that? Yeah, and this person here isn't afraid na ilabas ang kanyang confidence to speak it out to the world. So kung this person here is something na dinidil mo, this person here is ready to speak out to the world that you are special to him or her. You are someone na nakikita niya, no, na someone na parang nakikita niya in a special connection or whatever, like this person is willing to tell it all out, not just to you, but to the world. Or if this person here is someone na ang iwi-win niya is yung mga personal, no, na mga bagay na gusto niya ma-achieve sa kanyang personal na life, then this person is willing to conquer the world. Yeah. But I think it has something to do with you. Okay? So, laging napupunta rin sa aking mind na ito ay may connection sa'yo. And it could be both. Diba? So, yeah, let's keep moving. Let's see what we have here for ya, collective. Medyo madalas yung card natin. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out for my collective. Oh. So, as what I'm getting from here, right off the bat, we have here the Explorer of Pens. There's this Four of Mugs. There's this star right here. This is someone here, okay, that wants to impress you. To impress you, mga babes, no? Pero yung energy niya, no, is wala yung yabang, no? Hindi yung i-impress ka niya kasi gusto niyang iyabang, no? Kung ano man yung gusto niya rito, mga gawin, no? For you, no? Para ma-impress ka. Okay? So this person here wants to pursue you with the goals right here. Ang laki, no? This person here is really determinado, no? Or porsigido na ipursu ka, no? Yung goal niya rito is ma-impress ka. Okay? So let's get to know more. With the star right here, I do pick up that this person looks at you as someone here na nasa pedestal. So with the star in here, I do pick up that this person, it looks like tinanggal mo yung takot niya, no, when it comes to love. Okay? Or this person here gives me also this type of message that parang I do pick up na parang hindi na takot. With that hindi na takot, okay, for others of you, this could be someone you already know. Let's find out more. Okay. Oh, someone here wants to impress you. Six of Mugs energy. Natignan muna natin lahat. We have here the Student of Records. This could be someone here na same age kayo or younger than you but doesn't have to be. Let's not get fixed with the age. But this person feels this very soulful connection here with you. Yun yung nakukuha ko rito. And it's somehow intense. Kaya siya determinado rito. Okay? and you're giving this person here a little hard time. So, kung ito man ay nililigaw or manliligaw, no, it's like, maybe you wanna know this person more, of course, no? It's for your own sake as well. Or you're trying to, kasi nakikita ko dito na parang hindi naman kayo nagpapakipot or whatever, or baka meron kayo rito parang gusto pang malaman about him or her, especially, no, kung ano ba talaga yung intention or gaano ba kalalim ang intention niya, or kung ano man ito, no, na gusto niya ritong mangyari sa connection ni ito. But yeah, look at that. We have here the 10 of records. This is the 10 of coins energy. So definitely, this person here, no, ang goal niya is talagang literal na seryoso, no, at pwede mong pagkatiwalaan. This person here really wants, okay, something solid with you. And we have here the 2 of brushes, student of pens right here, yeah. And there's this Three of Pentacles. Others of you, this could be a workplace romance here, but doesn't have to be. Maybe you're gonna meet this person here at work, or baka makilala mo siya related to your business if you are having business or whatever. Maybe it has something to do with money and finances. No, maaring dun mo siya makilala. So yeah, okay. So yeah, before we dive deeper into this reading of yours collective, let me just say hi and hello everyone. So sa mga new subscribers, maraming salamat. Welcome, welcome. Tuloy po kayo rito at sana magstay kayo here with us. You can subscribe anytime you want. And of course, sa mga returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawang suporta. So wala tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want. So at the end of the day, you still have your free will. And if you connect to the reading, then you can claim it. So yun nga mga babes, with the goals right here, Four of Mugs energy. Yan. Dalawa na kukuha ko rito. Diba, I told ya guys that this person here wants to impress you. Well, yun nga talaga yun. This person here wants to impress you pero hindi yung iyayabang niya rito. No? Gusto kanyang i-impress dito sa pamamagitan ng Six of Mugs energy, student of records right here. Six of Pentacles, High Priestess, and there's this Five of brushes. It only means that this person here, no, gusto kanyang ma-impress dito sa pamamagitan ng pag-aayos sa kanya ritong buhay. No? So, dalawa na nakukuha ko rito. Na parang inaayos niya yung sarili niya, minamahal niya yung sarili niya, no? Ginagawa niya yun para ma-impress ka. Okay? So, I do pick up that this person here is trying to align his or her focus, no, sa kanyang sarili, no, not being greedy about it, but gusto niya kasi mga babes, no, na parang mag-invest sa sarili niya, no, kasi parang 2-in-1 na rin yun, okay? Parang ang nakikita ko kasi dito, pag na-impress ka niya, para na rin niyang na-impress ang kanyang sarili. So, dalawa na kuha ko dyan, okay? Kasi nandito ang Six of Mugs. So, one, if this is a new person or new individual, this person wants to pursue you, to impress you right here, no, by fixing his or her life more, no, which is magtatrabaho siya more, mag-iipon siya more, no, mag strive pa more sa trabaho, no, sa buhay niya, no, aalisin niya yung mga bad habits niya or whatever, no, i-align niya yung sarili niya sa tama, no, kasi para na rin niyang ini-impress rito, hindi lang ikaw, kundi yung sarili mo rin, no, para rin sa future ninyo, no, gusto niya rito maging determinado at porsigido, nang sa ganun mga babes, no, bigyan mo siya rito ng chance, no, na makuha or ma-win yung heart mo. Sa iba mga babes, no, ex nyo naman yan. So whatever the case may be, kung ex mo naman tong pinag-uusapan natin na to, no, this person here wants to impress you by fixing his or her life, na inaayos niya yung buhay niya, no. Kung dati tamad siya maghanap ng trabaho, ngayon maghahanap na siya. Or ngayon na gusto niya mag-mature dito or nag-mature na siya, timeless ito mga babes, no? Pero kung ex nyo man to, no, hindi para iyabang na, kasi gusto kong ma-promote sa trabaho, para mapakita ko rito kay collective na na mas magaling ako sa kanya. Hindi ganun. Kung ex mo to, no, gusto niya ritong ipakita sa'yo na nagbabagong buhay na siya, na inaayos niya yung sarili niya, 'no, para sa'yo at ginagawa niya 'yan, 'no, hindi para iyabang sa'yo kundi magpapansin. Kahit bigyan mo lang siya ng pansin 'no, kahit konting pagtingin, 'yun 'no, basta manggagaling sa'yo, 'yan, 'di ba? So kung sino man 'to, ex mo na 'to 'no, hindi naman pinapakita rito kung paano kayo naghiwalay niyan. If this is your ex ha, that we're talking about, na magpapapansin siya sa'yo 'no, and this person wants you to give him or her another chance na ituloy ang inyong naputol or naudlot na pag-iibigan 'no. At kung siya nga ito, with the star right here na nakikita ko rito that this person here hindi na siya magpapaapekto 'no, sa mga sabi-sabi 'no, at kung ano man ang mga puwedeng posibleng nakakaapekto sa inyo before 'no, nakikita ko dito na walang takot na daw siya, nasusuong here with you 'no. So nakikita na natin nag-mature ang kanyang isipan at yung tapang niya is nadagdagan 'no. If this is a new person naman, yun nga 'no, gusto niya ritong i-win yung heart mo at gusto niya rito na ayusin yung buhay at sarili niya 'no, para ma-impress ka, okay, para mapansin mo siya at bigyan mo rito ng chance 'no, na maaaring makita mo na, ay deserving pala siya na bigyan ko siya ng tsansa na patuloyin sa buhay ko at maaaring puwede rin 'no, sa puso mo. 'Yan, 'di ba, yung nakikita natin dito 'no. With the Three of Coins energy, High Priestess, and there's this Five of Wands or the Five of Brushes energy, I do pick up that this person here, okay, is um, wala siyang pakialam 'no, kung meron ka mang options around you, may nanliligaw man sa'yo, transgender dito or meron man ditong mga, options ka when it comes to love, like this person do not mind them. He or she is just focus, okay, in pursuing you. At hindi ko nakikitang isinusukukan niya rito. So, tuloy-tuloy lang rito 'no, ang pag-give ng atensyon sa'yo at effort sa'yo 'no, hanggang sa mag-give in ka daw. See, this person, no, isn't here to harm anybody. Kung meron man rito ibang mga nagpapakita ng pagtangi sa'yo, emosyon sa'yo, okay lang, go ahead, no, pwede nilang ituloy gawin yun. Pero siya, focus lang siya rito, no, minding his or her own business na i-pursue ka, no, like, wala akong pakialam, pantay-pantay ang amin ritong tsansa na ipakita kay collective na gusto namin siya, go lang. Okay, pero yung confidence niya is hindi bumababa kahit meron ka pa man or wala o meron ka man na maging, meron man na maging iba pang mga may gusto sa'yo, like okay, okay lang sa kanya yon, okay? Kasi kanya-kanya namang laban ito 'no, and this person is willing to fight naman here 'no, at willing siya rito kahit start kayo as friends 'no, at this person here actually finds challenging 'no, na ganyan ka, na parang hindi ka basta-basta, tawag nito, nag-e-entertain 'no. You know who you want and what you want specifically. And this person, okay, admires that sa'yo. Yun yung nakikita ko rito 'no, with the, nurturer of mugs and there's this Three of Cups energy. Kaya nga gusto ko pa niyang i-pursue rito dahil nakikita niya rito mga babes 'no, na ikaw ay iba, okay, sa lahat ng mga nakilala niya 'no, or yung mga tao na naka-connect siya naka-connect sa kanya before. And this person here, okay, okay lang sa kanya kahit yun nga mag-start kayo 'no, as friends 'no, or okay lang sa kanya rito 'no, na mag-start kayo 'no, from fresh kasi bina-value niya rito 'no, yung respeto niya sa'yo nakikita ko rito. So kung sino man 'tong person na 'to mga babes 'no, I'm seeing that this person has this, serious at pure intentions to you. And this person here is definitely giving me the vibe that he or she really wants something solid, no, to build this legacy here with you para makilala mo rin daw siya. So this person finds you cute kung yun nga no, sometimes parang ang dating is nagpapakipot ka no, pero hindi talaga pakipot eh. Parang gusto mo lang talaga siyang makilala pa more or gusto mo pa no na parang malaman kung ano pa yung mga um, mga information at patungkol sa kanya, no? So, you are someone here, no, appearing to this person as somewhat challenging, but this person loves, no, na ikaw yung nagbibigay ng ganyang challenge. Kasi kung ibang tao, hindi niya yun gagawin at hindi siya magpo-pursue. So, iba ka. And if this is your ex naman, mga babes, I do pick up that this someone here, no, is this person pwedeng natakot siya before, no? Kasi hindi naman pinapakita sa akin dito specifically kung ano talaga yung naging reason, no, kung ba't kayo naghiwalay. Kasi yung iba, I do pick up na this is someone you already know. But this is also someone that you had history with. So, nakikita ko rito na with the star, this person here, no, is parang wala na siya ritong parang ibang pakikinggan, ikaw na lang daw. So, puwedeng yung iba hindi naman ibig sabihin na nakinig siya sa ibang tao. Puwedeng, dahil sa iba puwedeng kakilala mo 'to 'no, puwedeng nakinig kasi siya sa takot ng damdamin niya 'no, puwedeng natakot siya na baka i-reject mo siya, gano'n 'no, before. Kaya yung iba puwedeng naudlot yung inyong connection. Sa iba naman puwedeng may separation rito 'no, and this person 'no, is giving me the vibe na this time okay, ready na siya 'no, na, um, na akuin or ready na siya rito 'no, na maging responsible sa connection na ito 'no. This person is now willing to stand up 'no, for this connection here. And this person wants to collect more memories here with you. So, yung iba ang cute kasi parang wala nangyaring history sa inyo, pero puro hiyaan noon. Sa sobrang hiyaan 'no, at awkward 'no, cute yun 'no, few of you guys na maaaring maka-resonate dun. Hindi natuloy kasi natakot siya, 'no, natakot siya rito 'no, mga babes 'no, na, "Uy, pagmamahal ba 'to? Ano 'to pagmamahal na 'to?" 'Yan 'no. It looks like, this person here is kilala mo siya na when you were young or when you're going to school or others of you, this could be someone here na matagal mo na kilala you know, kapitbahay, ganyan. Or with this three of records right here, High Priestess, okay? This person here, isang panalangin niya rito, no, na kung meron man na ibang mga options around you, okay, this person is praying and hoping na sana mabigyan mo pa siya ng another chance, okay? Yung iba may separation talaga, nagkaroon kayo ng history niyan, no? So, hindi pinapakita kung ano pa talaga yung dahilan kung ba't kayo naghiwalay. Pero nakikita ko rito na ilalaban ka pa rin niya, no? At sana mapansin mo daw siya. Yan, sana mapansin mo pa rin daw siya. So, with this Three of Mugs energy, okay, and there's this Nurturer of Mugs and Ten of Coins, okay lang kahit sungitan mo daw siya, okay lang kahit hindi mo siya pansinin, iwasan mo siya, no? Pero yun nga, no, sasaluin niya yun, no? Kakayanin niya yun, no? Kasi gusto niya na malinaw yung goal niya, eh, no? Na makamit tong Ten of Pentacles na to from you. So, kung sino man tong individual na to, no, ang hiling niya rito is mabigyan siya ng pagkakataon 'no, na mapatunayan sa'yo na hindi na siya yung old version ng self niya, 'yan. And with this top brushes energy, Student of Pens, and Three of Coins, I do pick up that if this is, a new person right here, this person here is actually trying to think more, okay, to think more of how to impress you, okay? Ano pa yung mga puwede niyang magawa, aalamin niya yung mga favorites mo. This is like getting to know, and this person feels a lot of, excitement sa kanyang energy. Excited siya rito 'no, na mas makilala ka pa. And this person could be somewhat romantic as well. I'm seeing that this person could love musics din, and this person here is someone na na yung vibe niya is ready siyang sumabay, okay? So, hindi siya maarteng type of energy. So, ready siya ritong sumabay, okay? And ready siya rito na mag-go with the flow 'no, ano man yung trip mo, ready siyang sabayan niyan, okay? This person here is willing, okay, to move towards your way whether kung nasaan ka man. Okay, so ibig sabihin through ups and downs, this person here is willing to flow with you, okay? If you want him or her to wait, okay, this person will be patiently waiting for you if that's what you want. So this person here is actually seeing you na parang worth it na hintayin ka kasi ikaw naman yung hinihintay niya. Yeah. And if this is your ex, willing to wait siya rito, no? Kasi I do pick up na this person here is now seeing na ikaw yung mas mas masarap kasama, ikaw yung mas nababagay para sa kanya 'no. So regardless kung ano man yung nangyari noon 'no, hindi niya napakikinggan rito yung ibang tao kung may ibang tao mang involved or hindi niya napakikinggan rito yung fear, yung takot, no? Parang inner battle kasi para naman sa iba, no? And this person will just listen, no, sa kanyang sarili, no, pagdating rito. And this person is actually thinking of what other things he or she can do for you in order for you na mapansin mo siya. Yan, no. Yeah, alam niya, no, na mas may laban, okay? Sa pinapakita mo kasi sa kanya, alam niya na mas may laban or mas lamang kung meron ka mang mga other options in love around you. Dahil kasi dun sa history na meron kayong dalawa. Regardless of whatever is that, since this is general reading. Pero, this person still wants to pursue you no matter what. Whether this is new person or old person right here, just take how this resonates. But these energies, no, is only clear, no, malinaw na gusto ka nilang ma-impress kasi gusto nila ng something solid at something what's this, something na legacy, okay, coming from you. Yan, gusto nila yan kasi nakikita ka nila as someone na parang like a star, okay, na parang pag nakuha nila is sobrang magiging satisfied, contented, no, sila sa kanilang life. So yeah, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin for you, collective. Thank you so much. Sarang Halo and Light. Anya.